Hello friends, a warm welcome from HarshaTrainings. In this particular video, we are going to see how we can count number of characters in a particular string. We are going to see two approaches. One is with the help of length function and one is with for loop. So let's get started. For this, I have taken strr. Strr is one of the object, and here inside this I am taking one string. Okay, string, and here I am going to print a simple function I am taking length, which says the length of any iterable object, right? In this case, str is an iterable object. So if you go and try to print it, that is nothing but 47. It is saying 47. So total length of this string is 47. Now let's see without any pre-built function how we can make. So for that I am taking count is equals to 0, and for I in strr, this for is nothing but an for loop. Here we are performing for loop. So count is equals to count plus 1. Count is equals to count plus 1 means here it is going to count the number of characters inside strr, right? So now we'll print it, and here I'm going to do one thing. I will do count value is, so you will get an idea what is the actual statement, right? So now I'll try to print it. So it is saying count value is 47. Now this is simple, and how we can create a program to count the number of characters. Now we'll preview it. We'll try to preview this, right? So in this case, if you see, we have two variables, strr count and I. strr says the string data, right? Whatever the data we have, BCCI is the richest cricket board, and count is the number of characters. So here count is storing what? Number of characters, 47. I is nothing but last index value, that is nothing but D. That's it. In the upcoming videos, we are going to see more interesting programs of Python. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow Instagram channel HarshaTrainings. Thank you.